Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will talk about Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is an open source web application that allows you to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualization, and narrative text. In Jupyter Notebook, we can do data cleaning and transformation, numerical simulation, statistical modeling, data visualization, machine learning, and much more. Jupyter Notebook app is a server client application that allows editing, running notebooks and documents via a web browser. Now we will talk about in which cases Jupyter Notebook is a great choice for us. If we want to learn and try out Python, any type of data processing, transformation and visualization of the data insights, we can have explanatory text which should be written in markdown language for giving comments in our code base. It can be used for numeric simulation, statistical modeling and for machine learning. Now we will talk about advantages of Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter supports over 40 programming languages including Python, R, Scala, etc. We can share our notebooks using email, GitHub, Dropbox and Jupyter Notebook Viewer. It supports any type of code output. Our code can produce any type of output like any type of HTML, any type of images, any type of graphs and charts, and any type of videos, etc. Through Jupyter, we can leverage big data tools such as Apache Spark from Python and R. For Jupyter installation, Python should be installed first in your system. Once Python is installed in our system, then open the command prompt and run pip install Jupyter command from command prompt. It will download and install Jupyter Notebook in your system. Once Jupyter Notebook installed in our system, then we can run Jupyter Notebook command from our command prompt. It will open Jupyter Notebook for us. Once Jupyter Notebook opened, then we will click on New and select Python 3 from drop down. Now new notebook will open for Python 3 language coding. We can start our coding. I am printing hello world here. For execution of the cell, press Ctrl Enter. If you want to give any comment, then select new cell and select markdown from drop down. Now we can give any comment in this. Friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Please enable bell icon also, so new video will come, you will get the notification. Thank you friends.